How to create a folder and file in Ubuntu using Graphical User Interface. Let's see how to create a folder. Just click here, then click folder. Then you can provide a name like test, then click OK. Now you can see the folder is created, right? Now let's see how to create a file. You can just open and there is a text editor. Just open it, then you can type test file, then you can save it. Just click here, then save. Then select the location, desktop, you can select save. Now you can see the test file is created. Thank you for watching.